Hey girls, I'm so excited to be back here with you. I know that I'm glowing a bit and it's going to be a little hard to see the colors of the wraps I show you today, but that's okay because the reason we are here today is for me to show you the 1, 2, 3 method of Jamberry nail application. Now, I've never tried this before, full disclosure, but I wanted to show you when I tried it for the first time so that you'd have a realistic view of what it's like the first time you try it. All right, so today we are applying my March style box. I know, again, it's a little hard to see the patterns and colors with the sunlight here, but they're blues, purples, and a few greens in there. So very cute, very springy. So that's what we've got going for you. Now, to save us some time, I have already taken my old jams off and I have pushed my cuticles back. Now I use my orange stick. You can also use the Jamberry cuticle pusher. You could use your own metal cuticle pusher, whatever you've got. Okay, so I've already pushed those back and I have already prepped all of my nails with the Jamberry nail prep. Now again, you can use rubbing alcohol, you can use actually vinegar, white vinegar will work. So whatever you've got on hand, does not have to be Jamberry. All right, so how does this 1, 2, 3 method work? Starts off just like normal. We take a wrap. Now, the one thing that's different from my normal application is that we do not cut slits in it for curvy nails. Supposedly, this is going to work for us without slits. So I'm going to take my wrap, and remember, we're using our cuticle pusher or orange stick or tweezers, something to take it off so that we don't touch it. If you touch the backing, then your oil is going to interfere with the ability to adhere. All right, so next thing we do is we just go ahead and apply it, and I'm going to do this facing me because I'm not that good, okay? So when we put it on, though, this time, we're not going to press down, just let it kind of sit loosely on your nail, okay? So you can see that it's not really at all adhered, it's still, still very, very flat. All right, now I'm going to turn, I have my Jamberry heater here. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to let it get warm. So I'm going to test it with a nail that's not got a wrap on it yet. All right, and then I'm going to hit just the very, very center. So be very, very careful. Don't turn your nail at all. Very, very center just for a second. And that's all I'm going to do for right now. And now I'm just going to slide right at the center. Okay. Now I'm just doing that to help it kind of have a base to adhere to. Now, here comes the 1, 2, 3 part. Step 1, we're going to take one side of our nail, one side where it's still lifted, okay, it's still not at all applied, and we're just going to heat this one side very carefully, just this side. All right, and again, I'm going to show you that. Okay, so we want to just heat this side for the 3 to 5 recommended seconds. All right, and now we're just going to press straight out from the center. Straight out. Okay? And again, make sure you're getting lots of good pressure on that. All right, so now you can see that side is down, that side is curved, the other side is still very flat. So now we're going to heat our other side, and that's step 2. Okay, so again, the 3 to 5 seconds. You want to make sure that it's starting to kind of get soft and curvy on its own as you're heating. Okay, and then again, we just press straight out from the center, straight out from the center. And this is gorgeous. I have to tell you, there's no bubbles, there's no lifting. I'm super impressed. It's super easy. Okay, so there's steps 1 and 2 are done. Okay, you can see that the wrap is now curved because it's now adhered to my nails. Now, step 3 is to heat the center and actually heat it for the 3 to 5 seconds. So we're just going to heat straight up the center. All right, and now this is where your cuticle pusher, or I'm just going to use my orange stick to show you that it's possible. You want to press get some really good pressure straight up the center. Okay, and then also around all of your edges. You want to make sure it's down really, really good. Okay, I am so impressed. I have very curvy nails, and so to find a method that allows me to not have to cut slits in it is beautiful. I love my butterfly method, I do, but especially on metallic wraps, it shows really bad. So this is an awesome, awesome option. I'm super excited. Okay, So now it's all down. Now we take our scissors. Now I have my cute little nail scissors, but prior to getting these, I did use regular scissors. Okay, and we want to trim it up as close to the nail as we can, just to make it less mess later. Okay, now you can file your nails at a 90-degree angle. If you are either not patient, don't have a ton of nail, and you feel like it takes too much off, you can do what I do, which is just take some clippers, and you just have to catch just the tiniest bit of nail, okay, and clip along the edges. Now this pressure is going to help seal it as well, which is awesome. Okay, and done. All right, these are super cute. Now I also want to show you really quickly your gel option as well. So after I get my nails done, then it's time to gel. So come back, I'll do a second video to show you how to apply gel over your wraps. All right, thanks girls. I love this 1 to 3 method. Definitely try it.